Good morning. Just finished my washing. I go to outside to hang my clothes. Ayan. Tapuin ko muna ito. Good morning, blessed Sunday. Blessed Monday to everyone. I'm busy today. I'm busy this morning. Ayan guys. Tapos na ako maghang muna ako dito sa labas. Ay, mahangin siya. Good morning. Angel. Ayan guys, mainit na ang aking dalawang aso. Diyan ka na nga. Morning ang aking baby. Ayan guys, maghang muna ako. Maghang ng tubig. Magsampay muna ako sa labas. Ayan, tingnan mo yung ang init. Yes. Ayan. Mainit na mahangin guys, at least mahangin, hindi masyado mainit, okay lang na mainit basta mahangin. Ayan magsampay muna ako ng aking sinampay. Look, too hot. I just finished my hand washing. Only some clothes I wash today. Wow, ang ganda ng weather. Hot and windy. Because it's nearly coming the December. Ayan guys, sasampay muna ako. Ang init ayan. The sky is a blue. Sky blue. Yes, I'm going to hang the one I washing. Hand wash only. This one. See. It's good the weather today. It's hot and windy. See you later guys. Wait only I'm hang my clothes. Yeah, it's good the weather. It's windy. Ayan. I'm already hang our clothes. I have to leave. I still have bring here other clothes. Yes, I'm finish hanging. It's good the weather here. The sky is blue. No. It's good the weather. It's windy and at the same time it's hot. The sun. Look. It's good the sky. Blue sky today. It's good the weather. Wow. I'm going inside now. I'm finished hanging my clothes. I still have a light there. Okay guys, finish my hanging of my clothes that I washed today. Too hot. See the hot, but it's windy. It's windy also. Yun na. Hindi ka makababa dyan. Yun na. Yun na bukas ulit paliguan ko kayo I'm busy today because it's Monday. Also Angel tomorrow I will take a bath with bukas ulit. Today is Monday. I'm busy I'm busy. Okay guys. I'm going inside now. See you later. That is my video for today this morning. Okay guys, good morning. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Pinkay TV.